Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, information, and fun. Now, you all know that Sheri-Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited absolutely loves Norwegian Cruise Line, simply because it offers all that we need to allow our clients to feel good. As a matter of fact, to have the greatest celebration they could ever imagine for those precious vacation days. And that's just another reason why you should book your travel with us here at Sheri-Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, with our affiliation with the most amazing network, the Avoya Travel Network. And for 2016, we had an amazing year, a smashing year. As a result of that, Norwegian Cruise Lines named Avoya Travel as their online partner of the year. Now, this is no small feat, because you know how big online is. It's big, it's huge, it's massive. And of all the companies in the entire online space, which literally means in the world, Avoya Travel was named Partner of the Year. And this was not the first time. As a matter of fact, it's been 6 different occasions we have benefited from this prestigious award. And it is the 2nd time they have received the Online Partner of the Year honor. So you should be trusting us here at Sheri-Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited to book all your cruises, and of course to just take advantage of everything that Norwegian has to offer. Based on their partnership, we will make this happen for you. In 2018, Avoya launched enhancements to its partnership with Norwegian Cruise Line that successfully created even more cruise bookings for Norwegian Cruise Line, implementing new personalized data-driven marketing campaigns, partnering on greater exclusive amenities, and promoting personalized interaction between Avoya network members and the Norwegian Cruise Line created stronger synergies. Ultimately, this helped Avoya deliver even better customer experiences and higher value to Norwegian Cruise Line's guests. The Online Partner of the Year award is one of the top travel partner distinctions given by Norwegian Cruise Line. It recognizes Avoya's superior ability to generate customer demand for Norwegian Cruise Line through its lead marketing technology and live leads program that uses proprietary patented technology to successfully connect new customers with the travel experts in the network. Now, just in case you're wondering, what else do we have going on in the pipeline? We've got Hawaii on sale, guys. It's been a while since we have spoken about the Pacific side of business. Hawaii is doing well with the Pride of America, and you should not miss your opportunity. And of course, Alaska is a big deal. The Joy and the Bliss are sailing Alaska all summer long, 2019. And of course, the signature favorites of mine, the Escape, the Bliss, the Getaway. They are in the Caribbean, and Norwegian knows just the way to do it. The Jewel class is doing very well, and we continue to have the ships moving just where you want them to go. So if you're thinking about the Pearl, the Gem, the Jade, we've got it all covered for you. So in short, it's a winning partnership. Norwegian Cruise Lines, Avoya Travel, Sheri-Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. Why not? Why are you still sitting on the fence? There's no time like the present. And did you know we do have our free at sea offer, 6 free options that you could possibly qualify for. And least of them, can you imagine? Or maybe I should say, not the least of them. Free air and reduced air. So of course, Norwegian Cruise Lines, Avoya Travel, Sheri-Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're taking you to the world and back. Ciao for now.